Hey, how y'all doing today? Okay, I did a video about 3 months ago on a Portland electric 14-inch chainsaw. Yeah, that's back when I was having issues with the computer and phone not hee-hawing. And it corrupted videos, so I didn't even try to salvage what I could. I just got ill and deleted it all. We've had bad storms last night and high winds today. And I did a video on my Portland 14-inch electric chainsaw. And I'll tell you why in just a minute. First, let's talk about this little green saw here. She's got a Crate running motor, electric motor. She's got a powerful 9-amp motor. Cuts branches up to 14 inches diameter. Actually, it cuts thicker than that because I did it at my daughter's renter house. That's why I bought the sucker. And it says it's perfect for limbing and pruning, which I can say it is. Now for why I decided to go ahead and do a video on this bad boy. I'm going to take you outside and we'll show you. Well, we had a pecan limb fall out top of the tree. Reggie, no one wants to listen to you today. It don't look that big on camera, but believe me, it's pretty long, pretty thick. It's been dead for over a year. And I tried to get it out of the top up there, as you can see. It would break off in pieces and I get them taken from away. With all its high wind, it finally came out. I saw that bad boy up, and I use her in a burn pit. I would take it and use it for smoking, but I try to give it convoluted rate to pick around here. Oh, I don't want it, I don't need it. So I said some of the smoking businesses around here, and they didn't want it. I give some right to my buddies when limbs fall, or when I prune in spring. When most of them got enough of it, but I'll cut this up. Yeah, I did have a little old tailgate barbecue grill. Might put some on that and smoke me some meat. Add it to my coals. That's a good idea. Well, we'll show you how that saw works here when it gets a little bit better weather, and I'll see you in a little while. Not too bad for a little chainsaw. Low kickback. Double guard 91. Alright, got a little ore indicator there. Let's see how this baby does. Ooh, not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Nice cut. That's good. I'll cut this bad boy up in sections, make a little pyre here. And that's what I burn this spring. This is some oak. Get my garden ready. Yeah, all chopped up. Hoping they show up better than this. Got more daylight, but for some reason, YouTube's video just don't capture the light like the iPhones does. But anyway, you should be able to see some of the detail. Pretty tall stack. It's about chest high. Well, about belly high. Right here, belly high. I'm 5'10", 5'11". So it's pretty good. There was a little bonfire here in a couple of nights. There, that's a little bit better right there. Yeah, there you go. See, you see more detail now. Just gotta get some more oak. Like I said, this is pecan. You get some oak and hickory in here and get my minerals, and I'll burn it till back into the garden. I'll see y'all later. God bless you and have a great day. Remember, you get a laugh out of this, hey, that's good. If you learned something, that's even better. But the most important thing is, I had a blast doing this. See y'all.